Let's say you have a 50-page PDF, but you only need to send pages 10 to 15 to someone. Instead of sharing the entire document or searching for a computer to edit it, you can extract just the pages you need right from your iPhone. And in this video, I'll show you how to do that quickly and easily. First, go to the App Store and download Systweak PDF Editor app on your iPhone. Once installed, open it. On the home screen, you will see PDF Tools option. Tap on it. Here you'll see all the PDF management options available. Tap on Document Editor. Then tap on Open Document and select the PDF file from which you want to extract pages. Once the PDF opens, you will see thumbnails of all pages in the PDF, making it easy to choose exactly what you need. Next, tap on the pages you want to extract. You can select a single page or multiple pages depending on your requirement. Here you can see I am selecting the pages. Selected pages will be highlighted. Once you have selected the pages, tap on the Extract option at the bottom. Then tap on Save Files. And that's it. The app will quickly create a new PDF with only the pages you selected. Let's go to the Files app, and here you can see the new PDF. Was this feature useful for you? Let us know in the comments what PDF task you perform most often on your iPhone. And if you would like to discover more helpful PDF editing tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.